popularity of cycling is increasing in Spain, driving demand for e-bike conversion kits as a cost-effective alternative to purchasing new electric bicycles. However, compatibility issues exist, particularly with folding bikes like Brompton. To address this, British company Boost, a pioneer in modern mobility solutions, has launched a specific conversion kit for Brompton bikes. This kit maintains the compact foldability crucial for urban commuting and storage. Unlike front-wheel motor conversions that can affect handling, Boost's kit features a 250W rear hub motor, providing balanced weight distribution, improved traction, and easier handling. Installation is reportedly simple, taking less than 20 minutes without specialized knowledge. Boost's standard kit replaces the rear wheel with an integrated 250W motor and positions a bottle cage-mounted battery secured with a key lock, offering balanced weight and improved handling, albeit potentially sacrificing hub gears for a 2-speed system with a derailleur. Versatility is a priority, with compatibility across most bike types and wheel sizes, and options for different brake types and color customization. The Brompton-specific kit integrates a 6Ah battery, up to 50 km range, into the rear swingarm, with an optional extended battery available. The battery includes a charge level indicator and a USB port. Charging time is approximately 4 hours. The Boost kit adds only 2.5 kg to the bike's weight and adheres to European speed limits, 25 km per hour cutoff. A companion app, iOS/Android, allows users to adjust assistance levels and monitor ride data. An optional LCD handlebar display is also available. Priced at around €785 for the standard kit, excluding optional display and shipping, the Brompton version costs approximately €970. The article also highlights a more budget-friendly alternative from Chinese company LVBU, the KX series, an all-in-one wireless front wheel with an integrated motor, battery, and controller, promising a 3-minute installation. This system, with a 250W motor and 30 Nm torque, offers 50 to 90 km of range depending on the battery size and features regenerative braking. The integrated design maintains the bike's original aesthetics, with the wheel weighing between 7.5 and 8.6 kg. Envier comentarios. Panels laterals. Historial. Guardado.